Our project in Kansas City. This is an 8-unit rebuild project from a fire. Complete get down to the studs and rebuild. Let's take a look at it. This is the basement. We are working on the rough ends, getting the electrical, plumbing, and HVAC done. Getting some line sets ran as well. Plumbers are here doing their waste and vent, room supplies. I'm meeting the building department to look at these stairs. They don't meet code. And this set of stairs has fire damage, so these have to be replaced. There's exterior rot on the back of the building, and so we've had to rebuild the exterior rear walls. New service. Looking really nice though. Wire, line sets. This is the north unit, second floor. Good, how you doing today? Bathrooms. New kitchen layout. Nice layout. New layout for the line rooms. Instead of going straight back this way, you come in and you turn to the left. The stairs I'm walking are the ones that have to get replaced. This is the new 2-bedroom unit. You walk in and there is kitchen on the right. This used to be the dining room. Now it is a bedroom. This is the reconfigured layout. To the left is a bedroom and closet. Hall closet. Second bedroom. This used to be the dining room. Bathroom. Getting all the line sets run for the mini splits, bath fans. It's looking more and more like a project that's starting to come together. Hope you enjoyed this. This is about a year-long project from the time we started to the time we'll be done, with the abatement, fire mitigation, and the rebuild coming along very nicely. Building. Have a great day.